guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you guys a tutorial, a much shorter one this time, on how to run most, if not all, Android games and apps on an iOS device without hacking by using streaming. So first you're going to have to download Steam on a computer and just have it running. No games or anything, just having Steam running. And then you're going to download Steam Link from the App Store in your iOS device or iPadOS device. Once you did that, you're going to go ahead and open the app with Steam still open. You're ready to go if you see a check mark next to the computer name, a check mark next to the touch controller, and a connection at the bottom. The first time you do this, you are going to have to select a computer on a menu and then put in a code on the computer. Then it should pop up with this screen. You're ready to go if it has those two check marks and a fair connection or higher. Then you're going to press start playing. Next, you're going to tap and drag You can tap and drag the mouse on the screen if you want, but there's a shorter way to get to your programs. You can use the screen to play compatible games off Steam itself, but for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Android games. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to tap on the Steam logo, and then tap on the power, and then tap minimize big picture. Next, you're going to need to download BlueStacks 4 using your computer. So you're going to actually need to use your computer for this step, and you're going to need to use any web browser to download BlueStacks to it and still have Steam running. Next, you're going to need to download Ultimate Custom Night, because I'm going to show you how to download Ultimate Custom Night for this tutorial. So it's just going to be an example. So here on this video, Ultimate Custom Night Mobile Edition by Eth Goes Boom, you're going to click this link all the way at the bottom of the description, this Game Jolt link. It will eventually bring you to a page called UCN Mobile and Game Jolt. You click download, and then it downloads it to your computer. It should appear anywhere on your computer's file management. This also works on Mac, but it functions a little differently. I don't have a Mac to showcase it, but it's pretty similar to this, so they can probably figure it out, because I'm doing this on Windows. Then you click, BlueStacks works on Mac too. So you'd click install APK, and then you'd select the app that you just downloaded, which in this case is Ultimate Custom Night. If you want to download normal Android apps, you can just click the Google Play Store. But in this case, you can just download the APK like this. Tap and drag these icons on your screen to the top of the screen on your mobile device. The mouse icon, the search, the magnifying glass icon, and the keyboard icon, drag them to this empty area on the top of the screen. Then you're going to tap the Ultimate Custom Night logo. Next, for the game to be better, you can just tap on the top of the screen on BlueStacks. There is an icon right above this little volume icon that in the top right corner that shows 4 arrows pointing in different directions. Tap it, and then it will go into full screen. You're going to need your computer to get out of full screen, but I don't see why you need to leave full screen while you're playing a game. So next, since you're not going to be using a keyboard, just press go. And then you're in. That's how you're able to play this game and many other Android games on your iOS devices without hacking through PC streaming. You'll need to keep your PC on as well, or just your computer on, and Steam still open. But other than that, everything works pretty well, and you can play the game just like how it was intended on an Android device. next time. Hope you enjoy the game.